Hello YouTube, I'm here to talk about the car again. Okay, ready? So you remember when I got those green and red ones, right? Well, I bought new tires. These tires are more of a street, because there's only very small prickles instead of these big ones. And for your new YouTube car users, I'm you how to change them. You need your small cross, and you have to use your 7.0 side. If you can see that. Okay, I'm start with the back. You gotta watch out sometimes because the nut inside, what I'll show you in 10 seconds, it will usually get stuck in the rim sometimes. Just depends. Okay. This one right here will usually get stuck in the rim, but not lucky. And that's where you take your rim and this. Slide the rim so it matches up with the other octagon thing. And screw it back on a little bit with your hands. Just a little bit with your hands. Until you get to grab on. I'll put the tires back on. I put the tires on before I started the video, so I'll take that much time out. Okay, so I'll put all four on just so you guys can see. Don't worry about if you over tighten it. See, I'm still fitting. Very nice. I think this video will actually have what's your opinion. And that's how I'm going to take off the front. Drove yesterday. Muffler fell off. Got the piece of crap, so I need to get a new one, like the aluminum one. Trust me, aluminum one's a lot better. Leave your comments, questions, subscribe, rate if you want to see more car videos, and just comment if you think this looks better. Boom boom. Really green or just solid green. Well, as of right now, I'm just gonna finish putting my rims on. So, and then I'll show you a little tip. About your car, what you should do. Well, I just saw my last video, the link on the side for this car. I have a what's it called for it? I'll show you in a second. And I put that left over. And so if you subscribe and rate for more videos, I will post video of how it runs. Runs pretty nice. Well, it might sound a little crappy now because my freaking muffler broke, but like I jumped this thing yesterday. I had a ramp. Got really hard in this guy. It was pretty fun. Best place to drive in? Parking lots. Parking lots or a schoolyard or a big dirt field. Best places. Check in the description box over there for more If you want me to make more videos, I'll put the same link back up for the car, and there you go. See? Boom, boom, boom. And well, if you look right in here, see the little clips? They're called the spacers. If you get this car, they come with spacers, so you better off just getting that soon. So subscribe and rate, and send your comments of which one look better, these or these. Okay? Have a good day. Bye.